How to connect to Wi-Fi on Windows. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So connecting to a Wi-Fi is a very important and very easy process on your Windows. You can often find your Wi-Fi settings in your taskbar but if you do not find it, the process is still very simple. Go to your start menu and then go to settings. After that, go to network and internet. Then go to Wi-Fi. Now turn your Wi-Fi on and then go to Wi-Fi. Go to show available networks. All the available networks will appear over here. Now all you have to do is select the network and then enter the password and login credentials to it. Simply connect it and you will be done. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.